What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and welcome to the first episode of my brand new series where I review popular YouTubers, stock market, and investing courses. In this first episode, we are going to review a local Calgarian's investing course. His name is Daniel Pronk. He has 152,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and he has a course for $97 called the A to Z Investing Course. So in this video, I'm going to give you my honest review and tell you whether or not you should spend your money on Daniel Pronk's course. Here is everything you need to know. Let's go. Okay, so this is Daniel's YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure to definitely subscribe. I do like the guy. I think he's got great content. I'm just going to click on one of his videos here, and we are going to try and find a link to his course. So full investment course right here. Let's go to view the course, and we're going to check out and actually buy it. So buy now for $97 US. So keep that in mind if you're a Canadian. Sign up. I'm going to see if I can just sign in with my Facebook account. Okay, enter your card details. Okay, so I just placed my order, processed my card. It says, thank you for your order. You successfully ordered a pricing plan. You'll get a confirmation email soon. Got it. Now what? Okay, so this is the receipt. It came from Pronk Productions Incorporated. I don't know how to actually get into the course, though, at the moment. Okay, so the course purchase email actually went to my junk email box, so make sure that you check that if you're going to buy any of these courses. You've purchased my A to Z investing course. And now it basically says go to course here, and I assume I just sign in through his website. Oh, it says we're already go. Welcome to the A to Z investing course. So I'm logged in. We are about to start the course right now. So we got the intro video here. This seems pretty smooth. Lesson 2. Okay, and then we just scroll down all the way. Okay, so this should be fairly easy. It looks like the entire course is literally just kind of on this web page, which makes it easy to follow. In addition to the video lessons, I've put together an investor checklist that covers what I do as well as explain how I find new stocks and opportunities. Click the button down below to download the free PDF. So that's cool. Okay, so I printed off the PDF that was at the beginning of the course. I'm going to read this tonight, and I'm going to start on all of the videos tonight. I'm going to go through as many as I possibly can tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to finish off the videos and come back to you guys and give you my honest thoughts and my review on the course. So time to get started, time to start the learning. Let's get going on these videos. Okay, so just finished the introduction. Really good introduction, great quality, good video, good audio, no issues there. Sounds really good. He talks about what he's going to do with the funds for the course, which is actually pretty cool. He tells you where he's going to spend that money, which I really liked. The course is roughly 12 hours long, and he's going to do a full Tesla analysis, which is really cool because he made this course during COVID, so I'm really excited to compare the actual Tesla results over the last few months to what he anticipated in this course. And he's also going to go into the dividends and management of a company, which I haven't seen many other people talk about. So I'm excited for that. So intro is out of the way. It's time to jump into lesson 1.1, but I think the pizza is here. So I'm going to go grab a slice. Okay, we got our pizza. We are all set to go. Time to get back into it. Alright, you guys, it's 12:52 a.m. the next morning. I've been watching Daniel's videos pretty much all evening and all night. I am going to go catch some rest. I'm not going to give you my thoughts yet. I'm going to save it till the end of the video, but I will see you tomorrow morning to finish off section number 4 of his course. I think this is where he kind of goes into the real details in the strategy, and we see a real life example of him analyzing a stock. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, you guys, and we are back. I have just completed Daniel's entire course, and now it is time to give you my full review, so let's just jump right into it. Number 1 is the course structure. The course costs $99 USD. It is made up of 31 video lessons that are around 5 to 50 minutes long. There's nothing longer than 50 minutes. Most of them are around 20 to 40 minutes long. There's about 12 hours of total video time, and there's also one PDF download that's about 6 pages long, and it's kind of his checklist of what he does before he makes a trade. So that's what you get for your $99. There's no group chat or Discord or watch list or anything else afterwards. It's pretty much just access to those videos and that PDF. Now, the main theme here is value investing. Daniel preaches and teaches and invests just like Warren Buffett. He is a value investor focused on the price to earnings ratio and making sure that the company is well established, well managed, and has a track record and an established business. That is what Daniel is looking for, and that is what he preaches in this course. And it is a very, very similar style to Warren Buffett and the methodologies that are preached in the book, The Intelligent Investor. Now, the things that I did like about the course, there were a lot of things that I liked. I thought it was a very well-run course, just up front. I thought it was well done. The things that I liked was that there was a full breakdown of all of the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow. Daniel literally goes line by line and walks you through every single item on those statements. Now, the next thing I liked about this course is that it is focused on very safe and low risk investments. Daniel is not going out here preaching a bunch of crazy strategies or biotech stocks or something that is risky. Everything he talks about is focused on lowering your risk and buying the companies at a margin of safety and getting them when they are valuable and when there's actual value there, and not buying them when they're driven up by hype. That is the goal of this course and everything that he teaches you within the course. And so what I also like about this is he talks about his wins and losses. Daniel's made a couple of bad trades. You can even track that on his YouTube channel. However, he talks about them in this course, and he talks about why he made that trade and what he learned from them, which I think is super, super valuable. And that's the biggest asset to any trader, is figuring out where you went wrong and what you can do better the next time. So he talks about that in the course, which is really cool, because I actually had questions about one of the specific trades that he made in one of the cannabis companies. But I'm glad that he addressed it in the course, because it helps everybody else know that you're always going to take a loss. You can't win every trade. And as long as you can understand why you took that loss or why you made a mistake, then there's definitely room to grow, and you're only going to get better from there. The next thing that I really liked is that he goes in depth on the management. He teaches you how to evaluate the management, how to look at them, and the red flags that say, okay, there's something fishy going on here and maybe you don't want to put your money into this. He does a really good job at diving into that topic, which I don't expect anybody else on this course list to do. I think he's probably the only one that actually went into the management like that. And I really, really like that, because that's one of those kind of deeper dives that not a lot of people talk about. And the last thing is he did a really good introduction to the types of accounts that you can open, whether it's an RRSP or a TFSA or a margin account. He does a really good job of kind of breaking those down up front. So I think that was really well explained. But I think the biggest thing was going through the financial statements. He did a great job there. Now, things that I did not like about the course. So just straight up front, I'm probably classified as a swing trader. That's probably the main type of trading that I do. I have a long-term portfolio and I do a little bit of day trading, but I mostly swing trade. And so what I didn't like about this course is that it was only focused on the fundamentals. It did not take into account any type of technical indicators. It didn't look at the charts at all. It didn't explain what a candlestick is. It didn't go into any of that. It focused 100% on the fundamentals and the financials and the management and the strategy. So if you're looking for knowledge on the charts or access to the charts, or to learn about looking at a chart and reading a chart, this is not the course for you. He doesn't touch on any of that, and he doesn't even touch on it on his YouTube channel. So at least he's sticking to his guns and he's sticking to what he knows. So I can't really fault him for that, but I want to let you know that if you're looking for anything to do with the charts, you won't find it in this course. Now, the other thing that I don't like is that his style of investing and the principles around value investing can sometimes leave you on the outside when there is great opportunity. So for instance, one example was Tesla. He evaluated Tesla prior to the stock split. The stock was trading around $900, and he evaluated it and deemed that it was overvalued at that point, which was completely fair. It was probably he justified what he was saying in that analysis and in that basically evaluation of Tesla at that point in time. Unfortunately, Tesla is now trading at about $800 after a 4-for-1 share split. So Tesla has run up dramatically from that $900 level since he evaluated it. So unfortunately, this type of trading and this type of investing, sometimes you can't get into good companies like Tesla and capitalize on that run. However, he did highlight a couple of opportunities where you could have got into Tesla prior to that share split and a couple of years ago when Tesla did fit into that strategy. So he did a good job of explaining his methodology and when he would buy Tesla. Unfortunately, those buying opportunities have not come up in a very long time for Tesla, and at this point I don't think they will, based on that value investing strategy. And then the last thing that I thought was a little bit of a downside that I didn't really like is that a couple of the key videos inside of the course, not a large number of them, I think maybe 2 or 3 of them, are actually available completely for free on YouTube. And so when you pay $100 for a course and then you see that a little portion of the content is actually available for free, it raises a couple of flags for me, but you take that however you want. not, I'll just give you that kind of advisor up front. It was, I think, maybe 2 or 3 videos out of the 30 that are actually available publicly for free, and they're included in the course. Now, they are good quality videos. He does a very good job on them. It's not like he was cutting corners in any way. He just didn't want to repeat himself, so he took the YouTube ones and put them in the course. So take that for however you like it. Now, the real goal of me reviewing all these courses is so that you can find a course that is best suited for you. And so who is this course best suited for? Well, it is best suited for somebody that is a long-term investor, that is looking for low-risk investments, that is completely focused on the fundamental investment and the fundamental analysis and not the technical analysis, and that wants to become a better value investor and follow in the methodologies and the strategies like Warren Buffett. So that is the type of person that this course is best suited for. If you want to be a swing trader or you want to be a day trader, then this is going to provide you almost no value. Okay, now when we look at the overall comparison for this course, as you can see, I've got a bunch of different YouTubers and the courses listed here. Daniel's course cost $100, and I'm giving him some preliminary numbers here because I might want to adjust this as I review more and more courses. But overall, the strategy and the explanation was great. I thought he did a really good job. It was very clearly planned out ahead of time, and I think he did a good job. None of it was off the top, and he wasn't kind of making anything up. It was very well researched, so I want to give him an 8 for the strategy and explanation. His course only cost $100, and you got 12 hours of very good content out of it, so I think the value for the money is also very good. I'm going to give it an 8 there, and the production quality was good. I'm going to give it a 9 on the production quality. There were no issues with any of the audio or any of the video. The only ding that I have for it is that a couple of the sections were a little bit dry. It would have been nice to add in a couple more visuals because it got a little dry at some points, but overall I thought it was a very good course, especially for the cost of $100. And if you know that you're a fundamental long-term investor, I think there's excellent value here. Now, in summary, my final thoughts is if you're new to the markets and you already know that you're a value investor, then this is an excellent course for you and it is a good value for the money. And if you guys get any value out of this video or you want to check out any of my trading or any of my links down below, definitely consider checking those out. There's a ton of great resources there, and I've got a lot of great videos on YouTube as well, so definitely check that out. But if you get any value from this, consider hitting that like and subscribe button. I sincerely appreciate it. Another course review is coming up pretty soon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Good luck trading, good luck investing. See you soon.